this is my 2018 Subaru BRZ, and as you can see, I have a single exit Ready Revolution RS exhaust. And for anyone that has a single exit, you're probably wondering, what do you do with this hole? So FT86 Speed Factory sells this exhaust hole cover. Basically, this just sits right in there, and that's meant to cover it up and make it look like it's meant to have a single exit exhaust. So we're going to install that today. So to install this exhaust cover plate, at the back it has 3 holes, 2 on the sides and 1 on top. Basically what you have to do is line this up, drill 3 holes in that, put some hardware through that and secure it, and that should be good. Alright, so here we've mocked up the installation of that exhaust hole cover. It's held on with tape, so it's kind of hanging a bit, so it's kind of hard to tell where it's going to sit properly until I put the hardware in, but you can see that the finish is a little bit different, but from behind it doesn't look so bad. The only thing is that this type of diffuser you have, which is like the OEM style one, is meant to be another exhaust exit on the side, so it does look kind of weird with this diffuser on the bottom, but I think we'll go ahead and install it anyway. So a little progress. What I did was I lined up the exhaust cover and I put a piece of tape, you can see on this side, and marked where the hole should be so I can drill cleanly. Little pro tip for you guys out there. So we're going to continue mocking this up. Wow, okay, while I was down here screwing this in, I just want to show how low my car is. So you can see over there, there's a bunch of trash under here just because it's so windy on my street, but you can see where my exhaust flange is. That's like just above the ground, and right there, I'm not sure, I can't really see from here exactly what that is, but it looks like I'm almost literally scraping on leaves. So yeah, sometimes it'd be like that. So after a while in the cold, this is the finished product. Did 1 bolt in this way, 1 that way, and 1 through the top. So I'm try to get a view from the bottom and show you guys how that looks. So this is what it looks like from the back. You can see the 3 bolts, 1 on the right, 1 on the top, and 1 on the left. This is a really hard place to reach when you're tightening this hardware, but you might have a better time if you raise your car. It's a little bit of a hassle for me to raise my car right now because of how low it is and how cold it is, but I may do with what I have. So here's the finished product. It has a little bit of a gap around there, so I might come back and put a little bit of a rubber filler type material from the back so it hides that, but here you go. And that is how you finish up your single exit exhaust. Looking at this again now, and I apologize because I'm literally shivering because it's cold as hell, but it doesn't really line up very good. The fitment on this isn't the best because at least mine didn't come curved very well, and I had to kind of like push it a bit so it could fit, but I mean, it's better than having nothing. I'm not sure if this is worth what FT86 Speed Factory asked for, and you can probably make your own that's better, but there you go. You guys can decide for yourselves.